Hey guys, over here, and today I just figured I haven't made a video in a while. Figured I'd update you on some of the stuff I've done. You can see convict hasn't moved. This thing, it's being kind of stupid. Had to put a new starter in it a little while ago. Great, you know, fine, whatever. Put a new starter in it. And it worked for a little bit, but now it don't work at all. Just does nothing. So, yeah, that's fun. I know what the deal with that is. I've taken the starter off again, made sure all the wires are tight, put a new battery cable end on it. So, I don't know. Brand new starter, so okay. So, the starter should be fine. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to take it down and go get a different starter, I guess. I don't know. Since it was a remanufactured one, but yeah, 94 is not working. Old Olive, I haven't done much to him. I've done a few little things to him since last video. As you can see, I did cleaned up the radio, put the radio back in. Also rebuilt the heater controls. I replaced the one lever and put a new little display piece in it. But really haven't done much to them. Just those two things just to make it nicer. I need to get new defrost hoses because it doesn't have any right now. And in the winter you kind of need those, so I guess I could roll down the window so the window don't frost over, but that'd be cold as hell. Yeah, I haven't really done much to him either, besides clean up the radio and rebuild the heater controls. They work good. Just need to get a new fan switch for him. And then I can get rid of the switch on the dash where the cigarette lighter is. Get a cigarette lighter for it. But yeah, not too much done to him. Crown Vic. The only thing I've done to the Crown Vic is I took the spotlight off because I was really hoping I could make it work on the 94, but the spotlight's Crown Vic only, kind of specific, so I'll get that put back on there when it gets nicer out. But yeah, I mean, just not a whole lot going on. You know, that's started all of last week, I think it was. Oh, I put the electric choke piece back on it so the choke would spring. So when I took the zip tie, I'll just show you. The hood will open. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, you can see I put the electric choke piece back on, so I just undo the zip tie, pump the throttle, choke will turn on. Then when I want the choke off, I just put the zip tie back around on it. So I had it before, just so I can get full choke out of the damn thing. But yeah, really nothing has changed. So this is gonna be a short little video. It's cold out. I want to go in. Thanks for watching. Bye.